I had been into this teaching profile from past many years. Okay, and after going into the methodology, the teaching methodology that all schools are introducing, somewhere I was never satisfied with that. So I thought of bringing a platform where our children can put their current information or current knowledge into a new context, and they are capable of bringing ability of adapting to and transforming any setting. Melfill is something which is bringing up in the current zone where parents can see what futuristic kids now they need for further engagement of the children, for further development of a child, which is quite different from the old methodology. Melfill was, like, you can say, if I have to start how I have taken this word, this is, you can correlate with a child. First, when the child takes a baby step to stand, we all know first time when they are taking the stand, they fall down, and then again they take another step to stand up and then walk. So Melfill is also correlated with the same concept, same thinking and same imagination. So Melfill is a journey, downfall and triumphant flight with self-confidence and taking the ability of the children towards a new innovative learning. Basically, when we, being a parent, what we observe in the children, wherever the child is sitting, no child always play. Okay, if you are not giving anything to the children, then also they'll be sitting, they'll be holding pen or something and they'll be playing. So that is a concept where a child learns by their own. So this is how we are also having a vision where we are not putting the board system, we are not putting the classroom system, but the child is learning everything in a fun, innovative engagement, exploration, movement, everything by their own without teachers' help. So this was the vision of creating innovative learning in our school. That's why Melfill is having a name called Innovative Learning. So that's a tag and that's a logo that we have given to our school. So if you come to understand what exactly Melfill does inside, okay? So Melfill entire thing is divided into different pillars. Now first thing that is very important part is transversal skill. Now what exactly is the transversal skill? How a child is going to learn experiential learning or life learning by their own. So it covers few topic inside it as well. Like if I have to tell you, starting from the learning form of expression, where we are making them understand the musical notes, the art and craft, the visual expression, the verbal expression, all this comes under this topic. Now when it comes to the next level of transversal skill, we are making them do this exploration, interactive learning also, where they are learning more about the linguistic skill, mathematics skill, overall environmental learning. Thirdly, we introduce them the understanding of the world. There they learn the socio competency, the emotional competency and the ethic and education related to that. Then if you ask me more about it, the transversal skill, we go for the practice of healthy way of living, where we provide the children physical education. They are having many activities that is conducted to their gross motors, and each and every step that we take inside into this Melfill name you call, okay, everything is correlated to the holistic approach of a child. Last but not the least, one more topic is there, that is brain blogging. We called it as STEM lab, which is like a very interactive classroom for the children, where they themselves do the brainstorming and find out the solution for their own questions. Okay. Now this was one of the most important pillar. Now out of this, if we come to further making you understand what Melfill follows, secondly we follow the thematic learning. Every month we follow a particular theme and we try to cover all concept based how a child perceives the environment. Then thirdly we follow a very important aspect of early child learning, that is play-based pedagogy. Okay, so you can say this is one of the very integral part of Melfill, where we introduce all sort of pedagogy, including the parents or the family-oriented pedagogy too, where parents are also being the part where they are making their children learn. We are also equally introducing different pedagogy in the school, which is lacking in today's generation learning. If you ask me pedagogy, many schools they are telling, yes, we follow pedagogy. But what exactly is pedagogy? What are the different forms of pedagogy that we need to introduce for the upcoming generation kids? Okay, where they are learning by their own without our help. terms of empowering the teacher, mostly we follow a rigorous training for the teachers where we start with the way of handling the kids. We are not showing any dominance. Children have their own way of thinking, their own way of new perception towards the thing. Okay, so we can't change that, but we can change the teachers, those who are coming with the baggage of old methodology. Secondly, then we go for the curriculum training, which they have to understand how they are going to introduce all pedagogy methods. Then thirdly, we build up the communication skills of the teachers. Then we make the teacher understand each and every child is as valued as we value our own kids at home. Okay, so they never leave the kids all alone, or each and every child is given special attention, and we always prefer making them feel homely, comfort, and they're developing their independency so that they themselves are fulfilling their daily task on their own shoulders. I really aspire to spread this branch in not only in this zonal or state. I want this to get spread all over India. Now, secondly, if you ask me for the expansion, definitely we are going to start our second branch. It is in adjacent to Prestige City, and further we are aspiring that we'll be opening more and more branches with the time. Now, when it comes for innovative things, we all, our curriculum associates, we all keep on researching on children also. We are finding many aspects where we can work with the time, how we can improvise and bring out something new, which as per the child aspect, not as per being the adult or teachers. Teachers need to give that area, that zone to the children where they are free to learn by their own. You need not to intervene when they are learning, okay? So we keep on doing this research where children, they themselves want and how they want to learn, that is all dependent on them, and we have to just give that platform. So we are just working on that. We will keep on working, exploring and bringing something new all the time in Melphil. At last, I would also request all the parents, like those who are looking for the schools or the programs or looking for a space where your child can grow and learn. I would request parents to check the schools, not only in terms of academics. You have to make your children learn in a zone where they are free. Their mind is free for learning. So there should be a natural curiosity and love for learning. So look into that, not for the infrastructures only in the school. Please go ahead, check the schools where you are taking admission for your child, because that is something you want to inculcate in your child mind.